So I have a small question here to all of you. There are two cars I'm showing here. One is Mirage, the other one is Range Rover. Can you just help me with which car is a quality car out of the two? Please make your choice. You can speak or you can put it in the chat.
Maybe a Range Rover.
Maybe Range Rover. Like everybody can try. Now there is nothing wrong, in making an option, because you can be always correct.
Range Rover.
Range
Okay.
Rover.
Okay. Yes, I've got 4 or 5 people answered, but I could see there are 50 people here. Let everybody answer. Let us make this program.
Range Rover.
Range Rover.
Range Rover. Okay.
Range Rover. Range.
Beautiful. There are a lot of
Range Rover.
supporters. Thank you. There are a lot of supporters for Range Rover, but I could see few people supporting the Mirage also. Like, who is there? Somebody supported Mirage. Yeah, Surya says Mirage is quality car. Very good. Right. All of you are saying, most of you, not all of you, most of you are saying that Range Rover is the quality
Low
car.
battery, please charge.
Okay, Range Rover is the quality car. In case, if you wanted to buy a car tomorrow, tell me how many of you will buy the Range Rover? If you wanted to buy a car tomorrow, how many of you will bring home the Range Rover for you?
Low battery, please charge.
Very less, right? So that means we really have to, understand, what actually quality means. If there is a quality, what we do, the buying decision should be favorable to the product. Am I correct? If the product has got the quality, the buying decision should favor the product. But all of you said Range Rover is the quality product, but buying decision is not happening. That means quality, that means some of the requirements, some of your requirements are not met by the Range Rover. And so,
The Range Rover might be a quality one,
yeah,
but it's the not affordable for majority people who cannot pick. You can't afford for majority people the Range Rover
perfect.
compared.
Perfect. That means the price of the product is also part of the requirement of the customer. Am I correct? Right? The product has to be, for example, when I want to buy a car, my set of requirements are many. I have so many requirements. When I want to buy a car for me, for my family, I have a set of requirements. It includes the mileage of the car. It includes the seating capacity. It also includes the cost of the product, price of the car, isn't it? So Mirage could meet the set of requirements of a particular segment of customer. At the same time, Range Rover could meet the requirements of a particular segment of the customer. What we need to understand here is the customer segment is completely different between the two example I am showing here on the screen. Mirage is meant for maybe for middle class category of people, and then for the higher end, the Range Rover is meant. So their requirement are different, and the people who could prefer Mirage, the requirements are different. As long as the requirements are met, customer will take the buying decision. If the customers are comfortably taking the buying decision, then your quality is at its best. So what I want all of you to understand is quality is, meeting your customer's requirement. So both cars, both the Mirage and Range Rover can be quality cars as long as they meet their customer segment's requirement. Right? Customer might have 100 requirement, but definitely out of the 100, there are at least top 10, top 20, which each one of us would like to verify before making a buying decision. And so if the product meets all the top 10 prioritized requirement, then the product can be considered quality product. So if the question is which car is quality car, the answer could be both could be quality car. You should visualize the customer before defining the quality, right? If the question is which car is a luxurious car, then I can appreciate the Range Rovers as an option. But when the question is which car is a quality car, then both can be quality car. Because for Mirage, the requirements by its segment is different. Then for Range Rover, the requirements by its customer is different. So what is quality? Simply stated, quality comes from meeting customer requirements. When I say requirements, again, there are two things we all have to understand. Spoken requirement, and another thing is unspoken requirement. So it's very, very important we understand the both forms of the requirement, because sometimes an unspoken requirement may be in the priority. For example, the price of the product, right? And definitely the customer makes a decision based on the price of the product. It is very important for the organization offering the products and services to understand both spoken as well as unspoken requirement. And now, quality occurs as a result of 4 activities. First activity is understanding the requirement, customer requirement. Second activity, designing